Founded in 2020, relying on the luxuriant and powerful supply chain in Asia, as well as professional software technology, put themselves in customers' shoes. Dropshipman has grown to be a leading dropship solutions provider. With 107 software engineers, 35 sales rep, 58 customer services, 22 IQC, 15 packing and delivery staffs, trusted by 900,000 plus Shopify stores, over 10,000 orders fulfilled a day, and 900,000 products for each commodity category. We always believe that the maximization of dropship business comes from the power of gathering all people on the earth, and attach great importance to cultivation and development of talents. Furthermore, provide the employment opportunities for disabled persons. Because each one of us has our chance to contribute responsibly for a better world. We hope to call on more people to join our philosophy and provide more employment opportunities for people with disabilities from all over the world, so that they can feel that they are important and needed by society.
Greetings from Singapore. My name is Mark and I choose Dropshipman.
Hello, my name is Pavel. I'm from Poland and I choose Dropshipman.
Hello, it's Johan from Belgium and I use Dropshipman.
Hello, and mabuhay. This is Lendl from the Philippines and I choose Dropshipman.
Hello, I'm Kanpai. I'm from Thailand. I choose Dropshipman. Thanks. Bye.
I'm Vincent from Japan. I choose Dropshipman.
Hi, I'm David from the United States, and I use Dropshipman.
Tanya here from Germany. I choose Dropshipman.
Hey, I'm Teddy from France, and I choose Dropshipman.
Hi there, everyone. I'm Edward from the United States, and I choose Dropshipman. Thank you very much.
I'm Kiefer. I use Dropshipman.
I'm from the USA, and I use Dropshipman.
Together with us, achieve the great value for ordinary little things.